Alright, here's the last video of the relations and functions, so last part, which means if you look at that assignment, there's a part 3 problem set as well. None of them are very long. So in this one, we're going to evaluate equations in function notation. So our independent variable is the domain of the function, our dependent variable is the range of the function. Function notation just means that there's f of x. You should remember from Algebra 1 that f of x equals y. They're the same thing. So function notation is just another way of writing y. So in this case, our example is to evaluate a function, evaluate each function for f of 5 and f of negative 2. So in this case, the 5 and the negative 2, those are our x values, because they're in place of the x and f of x. Alright, so f of 5 is equal to 2 times 5 squared minus 8. You could work this by hand by using the order of operations, or we can go to the calculate screen of our calculator. We want 2, we put 5 in, it's squared, and then it was minus 8. And we get 42. So the answer to this is 42. So f of negative 2 is equal to 2 times negative 2 squared minus 8. Again, you could put in the calculator 2 times negative 2 squared minus 8. Like I told you guys in the evaluate part, remember if you're squaring a negative especially, make sure it's in parentheses. Hit enter, and in this case we get 0. So this is equal to 0. So here, f of 5, so now I'm going to put 5 in for that x and that x, so 2 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5 plus 6. So again, if you want, go to your calculator, 2, again 5 in parentheses squared minus 3 times 5 plus 6, and I get 41. So this is equal to 41. So you could pause the video here, try f of negative 2, and then replay the video. So you should have paused it. So f of negative 2, you should have put it in like this. Now, I'm not going to use the calculator. If you did, that's fine. Negative 2 squared is 4, times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times 2 is a positive 6, so 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 6 more should have given you 20. And then, if you need to do C, you can do C. F of 5 is negative 4 times 5 minus 8. So that's negative 20 minus 8, which is negative 28 is what the calculator will give you. Negative 2, so negative 4 times negative 2 minus 8. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So there's your part 3 video. Go ahead and finish the assignment with the part 3 problem set. If you have any questions, let me know.